So everyone thought Nothing's latest teaser was hinting at the phone 3, but guess what, it's actually the phone 3A. And honestly, I wasn't surprised. Let's be real, Nothing isn't the kind of company to casually drop their flagship like this. The show's real star is the mid-range phone 3A, and we have got our hands on some leaked images that reveal a lot but also leave a little mystery. The phone is tucked inside an anti-leak case, so we can't see everything, but the back design looks familiar. It's similar to the phone 2A with a few tweaks. Remember the teaser showing 3 cameras? We all assume it would be a vertical setup, but nope, it's horizontal just like the phone 2A. And of course it wouldn't be Nothing phone without that iconic transparent back panel. It's sleek, it's stylish, and it's unmistakably Nothing. Now let's talk specs. Rumor has been about the phone 3A featuring the Snapdragon 7S Gen 3 chipset, and the latest leak confirms it. This is a big deal because Nothing is switching things up, unlike the phone 2A which run on MediaTek Dimensity 7200 Pro. See, don't get me wrong, the MediaTek chip was decent, but it had limitations, especially with things like photo processing. The Snapdragon 7S Gen 3 could be a game changer, offering smoother performance and faster speeds. But wait, there is more. The phone 3A is expected to launch with Wantedguyz 3.1 based on Android 15, and it will come with those gorgeous glyph lights we all love. And here is the kicker, it might feature a 50 megapixel 2x telephoto camera. That's right, a telephoto lens in a mid-range phone, but there is a catch though. The ultra-wide camera might take a step back, dropping to 8 megapixel from the 50 megapixel on its predecessor. Still, the main camera is rumored to be solid 50 megapixel, though we will have to wait for more details. Oh, and if you are someone who loves a big screen, you are in luck. The phone 3A is said to have a 6.8 inches 1080p OLED display with a buttery smooth 120Hz refresh rate. In a smartphone market that felt a little stale lately, Nothing is like a breath of fresh air. They are not just making phones, they are making statements, and honestly, I can't wait to see how the phone 3A stacks up. With its unique design, solid specs, and signature Nothing flair, it might just be the mid-range flagship killer we have been waiting for. So what do you guys think? Is the Nothing phone 3A on your radar, or are you holding out for the flagship phone 3? Let me know in the comments, I would love to hear your thoughts. With that being said, subscribe if you like, and I will see you in the next one.